Welcome back to Auto Reviews channel. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Coupe is a powerhouse that perfectly blends luxury with high-performance engineering. As a flagship model in AMG's lineup, this coupe is designed to offer exhilarating speed, sharp handling, and a premium experience that caters to both driving enthusiasts and luxury seekers. Under the hood, the GT63 is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 585 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-feet of torque. This beastly engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes-AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring outstanding acceleration and control in all conditions. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest coupes in its class. The active aerodynamics, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive suspension further enhance its handling capabilities, providing a balance of agility and comfort whether on city roads or the track. Visually, the 2025 AMG GT63 is a true head-turner. Its aggressive stance is emphasized by a wide Panamericana grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood with prominent air vents for better cooling. The long, muscular body is complemented by large 21-inch alloy wheels and an active rear spoiler that adjusts based on speed to optimize downforce. The coupe's fastback-style silhouette and frameless doors enhance its sporty appeal, while the quad exhaust tips at the rear confirm its high-performance nature. Stepping inside the GT63, you're welcomed into a cabin that is both luxurious and technology-packed. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials, including Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminium accents. The AMG Performance seats offer exceptional support, with heating, cooling, and massaging functions to enhance comfort during long drives. The 12.3-inch dual-digital displays serve as both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, running Mercedes' latest MBUX software with AI-powered voice controls and a customizable interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Burmester surround sound system come standard, ensuring a premium entertainment experience. Ambient lighting with 64 color options adds to the cabin's sophisticated atmosphere, making nighttime drives even more immersive. The comfort level in the AMG GT63 is surprisingly high for such a performance-focused machine. While the ride is firm due to its sport-tuned suspension, the adaptive damping system adjusts to different road conditions to maintain a smooth experience. The well-insulated cabin keeps road and wind noise to a minimum, and the spacious interior provides ample legroom and headroom for both driver and passengers. Despite its coupe design, the GT63 offers a practical cargo area, making it a grand tourer that balances speed with usability. On the road, the AMG GT63 feels like a true supercar with a refined edge. The steering is precise and well-weighted, providing excellent feedback. Acceleration is brutal yet controlled, with the all-wheel drive system ensuring maximum grip. The multiple driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Race, allow drivers to tailor the car's behavior to their preference. In Comfort mode, the car is surprisingly docile, while Race mode unleashes its full potential, with sharper throttle response, aggressive gear shifts, and an intoxicating exhaust note. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 Coupe is a masterpiece that seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and everyday usability. It offers the thrill of a supercar with the refinement of a high-end grand tourer, making it a top choice for those who demand the best of both worlds. Whether you're looking for heart-pounding acceleration, cutting-edge technology, or pure driving pleasure, the GT63 delivers on all fronts.